Welcome back to Self-Service. This video is going to show you how to read your degree progress. Your progress is going to be what you look at when you get ready to register for courses. It will show you what you have already completed, what is in progress, and what still needs to be completed in order to graduate. Once you log in, it will take you to your home page. You can click on Student Planning here, and then click on Go to My Progress. The screen will show you what degree you are currently working on here. Your At a Glance will show you your GPA, degree, major, specialization, catalog year you are working on, and your anticipated completion date. Up here you can view a new program. If you are deciding on changing your major, this will allow you to look at other degree plans and see what you have towards that degree. Load Sample Course Plan will assist you in planning out your courses. You choose the term you're looking for, and then select your current plan. It will bring up a sample degree plan for you to look at. Over here, you will see your progress towards your degree, your total credits received, and your total credits from this school. If we scroll down to some of your requirements, you will see a long list of courses. Let's start with major requirement. As you can see here, it tells me what I need to complete and gives me a list of classes I need. Right here it tells me 0 of 1 completed. That is telling me that I just need to complete the major requirement. Under that it shows 0 of 12 courses completed. That box shows you everything you need to take. As you take the courses, the status column will change from not started to in progress and then to complete once passed. Now, scroll down and core requirements here. Under your core requirements, you can see here that I need to complete 5 sections, or 5 groups as they call it. English shows me that I need 1 course. My second box tells me that I need to complete 1 course, but I can choose from either one of these 2. So you get to choose what course you want to take from that. But you always need to be aware of any prerequisites. If you click on one of the course names, it will take you to a description of that course, and it will list any prerequisite that is needed before you can take that course. Let's go back. Or you can go to one of the bigger ones, say complete 1 course, but you can choose from any of these. So you can click Search on this box, and it brings up a list of all those courses. You can look at prerequisites and a course description for each course in that section. So you can see which one you might be interested in. If you click the back button, it will take you back to where you were. Continue following this page down and pay attention to each section. Some sections will require that you complete more than 1 course, while other sections say just 1. Once you have completed a section, the red letters here will turn green. And this information will help you to get ready to register for courses.